Thank you, sir. You're very nice. How you doing? You're welcome. Hey, you gotta take off your shoes first. Yes, you gotta take off the shoes. And now what you do? Wait a minute, hold on. Let me let the gate down.
No, not yet.
Okay. Now try it. You get to jump inside, brother. Yes, it is fun. You said like the dragon in there?
Yeah.
Let me put your shoes over here.
Where? Why? I heard somebody just... What's that noise?
That's the car. That's the car door.
Ooh, I ripped. Excuse me.
You're supposed to super jump. Okay, you want me to help you super jump?
No.
Oh, yes, I'm gonna get inside now.
Yes.
Wait a minute, I'm gonna jump off the top.
No.
Yes, like I'm gonna free fall like this and fall backwards.
No, Daddy, you're gonna fall.
Huh?
You're gonna break your crown.
No, I'm not gonna break the crown. My crown? What's a crown?
You say, are you gonna break your crown? Look. Yes.
Like that?
You got a nice cushion.
Yes, nice cushion.
That's true.
Yes, see? Now watch the tree. You ready?
Goodness, you feel good?
That was fun.
Do you want to do it again?
Yes.
All right, here we go. Yeah!
That was fun. Can we get down, please?
Do you want to get down now?
No, you.
How you doing? Do you want me to get down?
Yes.
Come on, homie. Let's do one more off the top. Ready?
No, on that top.
No, not that top.
This. Oh, you.
Ready? Off the top, dude! Oh! You're next.
Is it?
Ready? Come on again.
Oh, not
Again. Ready?
Yeah.
Off the top, dude! Oh!
And again.
Again?
Yes.
Oh, it's time for the suplex.
No.
The suplex, dude!
That's my fault. Especially when I hear.
Oh, you're not gonna fall.
Oh, look at the bad guy. Hello.
That's not a bad guy. That's a good guy. Like, he's on my team.
Huh? You're saying?
You ready again?
No, I'm not your retard.
Here we go.
Let me do this.
This time we're gonna do the spinning vortex.
No, what about jump off that roof and land on the truck, right?
Do you want me to jump on top of the roof and land on the truck?
Yes, you.
Me? No, I'll jump off the top of the here and then I'll land inside here.
But you break your crown.
What's a crown?
You had to break your crown like this.
Oh, that crown, my head.
Yeah.
The crown?
Yeah, you're gonna get blood. I get blood banana.
No, I'm a professional.
Oh.
Are you ready?
No.
Okay, you watch Daddy. Watch this. I'll take my shoes off.
No.
Watch this. Professional.
No.
Professional. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Watch. Here it goes, dude.
No.
Get out of the way. You gotta get down.
No, I'm not. Okay, I'm down.
You ready?
No, not yet. No.
What are you doing?
I'm right here. I'm watching you.
Do you want me to stand up and do it?
No, yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Well, you gotta get back over here.
No, I'm just gonna watch you from here.
Hey! Get back over here, dude. You ready for the spectacular backflip? Are you ready? Hey! He's scared. I'm not gonna break my head.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna watch you.
Okay, you gotta wait right there. Ready?
No, watch my daddy, okay?
Wait. Do you want to hold the camera?
Yes.
Okay. Wait a minute. Wait. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Like, I'm gonna do it. With the Spider-Man mask on.
Whoa, why?
Okay.
Well, I want the dragon to go on the top and then jump down like boom.
The dragon?
Oh, the dragon.
Do you want the dragon inside too?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you like get back inside for me?
Bad boy, okay?
Can you,
Bad boy.
hey, Caleb, can you get back inside for me?
Yes, I can.
Where you going? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna get the dragon.
Yes.
Get the dragon and the mask.